Before I start, I just want to say sorry for the background noise. I am John Riley Cunanan, fresh graduate from Tarlac State University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, majoring in Marketing Management. My relevant job experience with these roles is my internship at the Remote Group Incorporation, wherein I work as content writer and graphic designer. My responsibility is creating social media posts, live job posts, blogs, and role pages. I am efficient in using Canva and Adobe Photoshop. Additionally, I have developed skills like adaptability, team-oriented, critical thinking, problem solving, and innovative. And I'm excited about working to your company and help your company succeed. Thank you for considering my application and have a great day.